Hello and welcome to May 25th. All of us at ALU 43%. Yes, it is frozen at 43%. Let's look at the chart. There it is, 43% for today. And today is still May 25th at almost 11 o'clock at night. I apologize. Today I was away with Craig Duswalt, Rockstar Marketing, Rock Your Life with Marketing. So that's where I was at today, and I apologize for the lateness. And here's the report. So now that you can see the candlesticks have now been adjusted to the reverse split that we spoke about yesterday. And the end result now we have the true numbers, and our stop is right here at 35.45. That's where the dipper low is. So we had a nice push here. We get a dipper low up here. We'll be able to go to dipper low right there. And recall that this is a 25. This is down to July 26th. I mean, July 16th is the expiration date, and we are in the under 60-day rule, and we'll be going to the last bar low starting very shortly in about 2 weeks. The 16th, 16 days. Yeah, 21 days. 3 days, 3 weeks out, we will be going to last bar low if it does not exit the trade prior. So the that takes us down to WBA, which is in negative territory, and it seems it did had a big drop, and you can see that uh, it did. It had a pretty good, but it got hammered pretty good here. We can see if by chance if this will line with support will hold. If not, we're out at 53.45. I'm going to check the low again. 53.46, and we're going to go at 53.45. I'm going to give it 1 penny only, and that's it out. So we'll end up maybe adding a $70, if not more, maybe 110 or $120 additional will be added to the ode here at 17.99 if it doesn't have a quick reversal prior to hitting that 53.45. With that said, let's go on now to the daily numbers. We are at 66.39. Now, remember, recall we don't have any extra trades out there, and that's because the scanner is not giving. In fact, let's run the scanner first before we do that. So, going over here now to our scan window, it's called Options Hacker, and we are Stochastics downtrend, which we really want Stochastics Weekly downtrend. So personal, come down to personals, come over here down to weekly stochastic downtrend. This is the last week that this strategy is going to be employed. 3 more trading days. Actually, no, it's 4 more trading days till May 31st. All right. Also, we're going to switch the accounts from the Reserve Phoenix to the Open Alphas for the YouTube, and away it goes. So we're looking and nothing there. So now we'll go to our other window, and our other window option hacker, and we're going to switch again. We're going to switch over to the Stochastic Weekly uptrend. And today at Craig Duswalt's event, we talked about this, and it's extremely possible that our scanner is so rigid and so tight that very few things are going to happen, which is what we're suspecting here. Now, let's compare that to to that uh, let's compare that to the incoming scanner that we're going to start next week, which is going to be our stochastics downtrend. Or there's the uptrend side, call it uptrend. So now we're doing now what this uptrend is based on is the 10-day moving average. So there we go. Is going to run that one and see if there's anything in that category. And there is nothing there. So let's go now to the other end of the road. We're going to go to the downside. Again, we're going to get away from the weekly trend to just the trend. And the trend is based on daily, not weekly. See, these are weeklies right there. So right now we're going to go stochastics downtrend. There, the name changed. And here we are in alphas, and we'll run it here. And the market has been in a much of a sideways for the lost leaders. That's just to say that the entire world is here. I mean, we're only working with the 45 lost leaders right there. That's it. We are very restricted. Now, let's go ahead and go to open field. Yeah, let's go to open field because that's where you guys are going to be going at. You got to be working off a lost leaders list because operating a lost leaders list is very time consuming. Whereas if you just open up and say, hey, whatever you give me market, I'll trade it. If it didn't have anything, I'll move on. So here is going to scan. Look at this. It's going to scan 4,711 candidates. So this may take a little bit of a while, but at the same time, you don't want to lose that opportunity. And opportunity is what creates chances, opportunity for trades. There's nothing there. So you see the world, even our down scholastic down. So we go back and work our way back in the filtering to the one that I had before. This is stochastics down EMA. What that means is that the price must also now close below the 10 EMA in the alphas, and we'll run it there and nothing there. Let's go ahead now and run it against the world. All optionable, all symbols. Price closes below in the down direction of the 10 EMA. So if this brings anything up on the list, it would be candidates for puts. And there we are. There we are. We have all these candidates are available for puts, providing that they meet the options criteria. They meet the stock criteria for those who are stock traders. This will be your stock. You work it off your stock list for this. And today I was speaking with Jacqueline. She is a trader. She's 78 years old and she's a trader and she's doing quite phenomenal for the last 12 months. If you see a thing called TTM, that means 12 trading months, 12 trailing months. So it's 12 months from this date back. So I was speaking with her today at the Duswalt event. And you know what? Let me show you that. Let me go ahead and find Mr. Duswalt. Uh, and there he was. There he was. Mr. Duswalt, Rock Your Life Mastermind. That's what I belong to. This is the Rock Your Life site. So this is Craig Duswalt, and he is a marketeer. He teaches you marketing. And that's where I was at today. And today I was at my mastermind group. Let me see if I can bring my mastermind group up. Craig, come on, come on, come on, come on. Craig, mastermind, right there. Now, this is the this is the sales page for joining the mastermind, right there. And I can't find my membership, and we're running out of time on the clock. But this site here, this one here is only $97 currently for a lifetime, and I highly recommend it because he has tremendously good ideas about marketing and how to think out of the box and get your ideal customers. So back to trading, and that's what I'm studying under because I'll be marketing. Well, maybe. Well, we'll be marketing. So there's a list for a down, and again, this is only what the scanner shows. You still have to make your own due diligence for your own entry. With that said, now let's go on to the numbers. Where do we stand? So we got 669.39 in the account minus the 55.33, coming out to 1106 for the profit, divided by the 55.33 for the year to date, and we have 20% per year. Where is the market today? Oh, there's Craig again. There's the market at their 11.3. 11.3. So we're still ahead of the market, and that's what it counts. And with that, we're going to conclude today's report of the Alphas IAU. I've stagnated at 43%. And with that, I thank you very much for stopping by and checking it out.